Can you believe that this humble little wildflower can make your skin smoother and your complexion more radiant? Yes, it's the rose flower. Rose flower is a common traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, herb. Its fragrance, which contains the most potent essence, is mainly found in the flower's core. Once the rose flower has bloomed and started to wither, its weight may increase, but its fragrance dissipates, and its medicinal properties are significantly reduced. Therefore, when used for medicinal purposes, it is best to choose rose buds that are about to bloom. Rose flowers are warm in nature, have a sweet taste with a slight bitterness, and enter the liver and spleen meridians. Their main functions are to promote qi circulation, relieve stress, activate blood flow, and alleviate pain. They can be used to treat liver and stomach qi pain, poor appetite, vomiting, irregular menstruation, bruises, and trauma. As Ben Chao Zheng-yi, the Compendium of Materia Medica, states, the fragrance of rose is the most concentrated, clear yet not harsh, gentle yet not overpowering. It soothes the liver, awakens the stomach, promotes the flow of qi, and invigorates blood. It clears blockages without causing the dryness and heat typically seen with pungent herbs, making it one of the most effective and mild remedies for qi-related issues, with few rivals in its category. Such a wonderful herb, can you really afford to miss out on its benefits?